Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to talk about some of the colonial era customs related to Day of the Dead. Again, in the descriptive box below, there's all sorts of links to various websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com if you wish to purchase any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. Europeans brought the tradition of flowers and candles, while the indigenous brought incense, food, marigolds, plus the concept of acceptance that life today is just a phase for life eternal. The custom of the indigenous was to pass the night during Day of the Dead in the chapel, sitting on the floor singing. A bonfire outside the church lit the way for the lost souls to recognize where they were expected. Also, crosses with 4 candles at the 4 points were placed on the ground, with only 1 candle lit. The lit candle indicated what direction the spirit was to travel in. Eventually, the spirit would enter the church and enjoy the offerings especially for them, including pots and vases of water, as people believed lost souls were tired and thirsty. The indigenous danced and sang around a bonfire, blowing sounds with the large conch shells and small flutes. In colonial times, on November 2nd, it was common to have Mass said on an altar with a black cloth, black candles, and also a black cross. Both clergy and the general public wore black this day. The wealthier Spanish wore black for the entire month. On the night of November 3rd, the indigenous had a Mass to give thanks to God for permitting the lost souls to visit their families here on earth and asked to receive them again the following year. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications of new videos that are coming out this month on Day of the Dead here in San Miguel de Allende on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.